Suddenly seen this surge in the appreciation of housewives online and also in real life. Somehow, the more a woman spends time with her family and with kids and taking care of the house, the more greater she is. Why? Because she is sacrificing. She is sacrificing her career. She is sacrificing her own wishes, her worldly dreams, or whatever. Somehow, she is superior than a working woman. Not comparing these two. And no, this is not even about feminism, because feminism literally is about being able to make a choice that if I want to work, I want to work, and if I don't want to work, I want to be a housewife, then that's fine too. My point is that why are we suddenly categorizing women into two boxes? One who stays home and one who goes out and work. And I remember until very recently, the women who could work were seen as a bit superior than the women who were a housewife, because that meant that the woman who was working is educated and is successful somehow. The one part that people, and especially men, they keep missing is that a woman who is taking her time to raise her kids and to take care of the house and to take care of the husbands and to take care of the household errands and whatever, she is doing all those things. But a woman who is working is already doing those things, plus she's also taking care of her career. They will glorify the woman who is sacrificing because they want you to sacrifice. They don't want you to be happy. They will condition you in a way that you would start thinking that sacrificing should be my happiness. Sacrificing myself and my own life is my purpose. Sacrificing myself for my kids and for my husband is the greatest thing I could do. If I am doing something for myself, then I'm supposed to feel guilty. And the society has suddenly started favoring housewives, and the more time she spends home, the better woman she is. Why? Because that serves the patriarchy. It serves the men. The moment you're not making money, the moment you're financially dependent on a man, that means that that man can control your life. You cannot make your own decisions. And no, I'm not saying that all men are like that, but all I'm saying is that they don't want you to have an autonomy over your life. So that whenever a guy is making enough money to sustain himself and a family of 3 or 4, he will prefer having a housewife. Not because he wants to provide, because if he wanted to provide, he would also provide so many other things like emotional safety, like understanding, empathy, being there for someone physically, emotionally. But no, it's not about providing, it's about control. Those guys who are not making enough money to be able to sustain a family of 3 or 4, they always want a wife who makes money. So it's not about providing, it's about what serves men the best. It's about what serves patriarchy the best. It's about what makes their life easier. They will keep flipping the script, okay? They will keep switching from one side to another. Sometimes they will say that being a housewife is better. Sometimes they will say that being a working woman is better. They will make it look like the working woman doesn't care about the house or doesn't care about her children as much as a housewife does, which is completely untrue. They will keep switching the narrative as per what's convenient for them and what's benefiting them. So ladies, please understand that if you are living in a society that is always trying to take something out of you, you have to be the one who has to live for yourself. That's all I want to say.